This is interchangeable. You can do different types of plastic, different types of
You like carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Bastin Hall's Innovation Lab is a state-of-the-art playground. Its portable laptops, 3D printer, and creative spaces allow students the opportunity to use their creativity to come up with and test new ideas.
I think my favorite thing that we've done is the 3D printing. We have a program that we use on the computer, go on, make literally anything you want.
I think the Baker School of Business Innovation Lab allows students to build a competitive advantage in the way they think entrepreneurially.
Charlotte and class of 1958 graduate Bob Mock gifted the money for the lab. Dr. James Bejian is its director.
So my role as director of the Innovation Lab involves teaching students how to solve complex problems using innovative solutions. By that I mean it could involve technology, it could involve unique entrepreneurial activities, it could also involve seeking out resources in unconventional ways that allow them to piece together solutions for those problems.
These problems are tackled in several entrepreneur-focused classes offered by the Baker School of Business.
The Applying Innovations class has been amazing. I took the first one last year, and even that class was great. I got to work with a VR headset the entire year, something else I'd never be able to do unless I was a part of the Baker School of Business.
The Innovation Lab is another reason the Baker School of Business gives students the tools they need to thrive in their careers.